Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I have created two Christmas tree. One I've used A4 sheet papers, white papers, and the other I've just used a cardboard that I got from one of the snack box that I bought. And it's very simple, very easy. And if kids, you could create these cute projects for your school. It would hardly take you maybe 10 minutes. Follow the video, watch it, and you'll be happy. You can paint or color them as you wish. So I hope you like this tree. Now the second DIY craft is creating this cute mini Christmas tree just using white papers. Follow the video. It's very simple. It just took me I think around 6 to 7 minutes to create this, and they look nice if you want to decorate your your study table, your work table, or you could just put it on your showcase, and I'm sure you're going to like it. So please go ahead, like, subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.